welcome to my videos. So guys, if you live out of India, like an OCI for example, with some origin back in India, there's a high probability you have LIC policies, right? So I'm gonna share how you can get your communication address updated without visiting India, okay? Because sometimes it's not possible, okay? So what I did, like I have, first of all, LIC has a limitation. I don't know why. While all other private companies have upgraded, why their IT systems have not been upgraded yet. So the problem is they can only use your Indian address. They cannot put any overseas address on the file. Okay, I don't know why this is. So what I did, like I contacted someone from the branch where I hold the policy. So he shared the list with me. What I got to do, he said that from the registered email, send an email to the branch. Every branch has an email address, and make sure you use your registered email. Write down your whole application. Okay, that what you need, include your policy number and all other details like your date of birth, your name, signature, like you have to sign it. So on a piece of paper, write down the application. You can type also, but make sure you sign. Include all the details. Then include one self-attested identification document, like for example your passport, and that you have to self-attest, and a self-attested address proof. So for example, if you have purchased a property, maybe a possession letter, maybe maintenance bills, these things you can use. Okay, because if you're living out of India, then definitely hard, like I don't think there'll be much address proof remaining for you, because voter ID nowadays you have to surrender in order to get OCI, and then PAN card does not have an address, then Aadhaar you may not have, right? So that's how things work, guys. So let me know what you feel about it, guys. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.